Hey hustlers! Welcome to the world where technology meets entrepreneurship. Ever dreamt of starting your own business without the hassle of inventory? That's dropshipping. You sell products online without ever touching them. Imagine running a store where you don't have to worry about stocking up on products or managing a warehouse. Your supplier handles the storage and shipping. Sounds easy, right? But wait, there's more to it than just that. The real challenge lies in finding the right product to sell. You need to identify what's trending, what customers are looking for, and what will give you the best profit margins. And guess what? AI can help you win. Yes, artificial intelligence is here to revolutionize your dropshipping business. Think of AI as having a super smart business partner who never sleeps. It's like having a team of experts working around the clock to ensure your business thrives. AI analyzes tons of data in the blink of an eye. It can sift through mountains of information to find patterns and insights that would take you hours, even days, to figure out. Imagine the time and effort you save. No more late nights buried under piles of documents or endless spreadsheets. AI can predict what customers want before they even know it themselves. It can analyze customer behavior, track trends, and even suggest the best products to add to your store. With AI by your side, you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven decisions. Your business becomes more efficient, more responsive, and ultimately more profitable. Ready to discover the power of AI for your dropshipping business? Then keep reading. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness this technology to take your dropshipping business to the next level. So how exactly does AI give you an edge in the dropshipping game? Let's break it down. Winning products. AI can analyze trends, social media buzz, and competitor data. This helps you identify products that are flying off the virtual shelves. No more hit or miss product selection. Smart pricing AI helps you find the sweet spot for pricing your products. You'll maximize profit without scaring away customers. Marketing Magic AI can even personalize your marketing campaigns. Target the right customers with the right message at the right time. See? AI isn't just a fancy tech term. It's your secret weapon for dropshipping success. Now for the exciting part. If you've ever wondered how to make your dropshipping business more efficient and profitable, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of AI tools that can revolutionize your dropshipping experience. Let's explore some awesome AI tools that can supercharge your dropshipping journey. These tools are designed to save you time, reduce manual effort, and help you make data-driven decisions. First up, product research tools. Tools like Sell the Trend, ecomhunt, and Thieve.co use AI to analyze millions of products across various platforms. They help you identify trending products that are likely to sell well. These tools provide you with trending product ideas, competitor analysis, and even Facebook ad targeting suggestions. Imagine having all this information at your fingertips, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. Next, let's talk about pricing tools. Dynamic pricing tools like Informed.co and PriceInc use AI to track competitor pricing and adjust your prices automatically. This ensures that you stay competitive in the market without constantly monitoring prices yourself. By using these tools, you can stay competitive and maximize your profits. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your prices are always optimized for the best possible sales. Now let's move on to marketing automation tools. Platforms like Klaviyo and Omnisend leverage AI to personalize your email marketing and customer segmentation. This means you can send highly targeted emails to your customers, increasing the chances of conversion. With these tools, you can send the right message to the right customer at the right time. This level of personalization can significantly boost your marketing efforts and drive more sales. The best part is, these tools are user-friendly, even if you're not a tech wizard. They come with intuitive interfaces and plenty of tutorials to help you get started. Remember, using the right tools can make all the difference. By integrating AI tools into your dropshipping business, you can streamline your operations, make smarter decisions, and ultimately achieve greater success. So, why wait? Start exploring these AI tools today and take your dropshipping business to the next level. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these inspiring stories. A dropshipper used AI to identify a trending yoga mat. By analyzing social media data, the AI tool predicted a surge in demand. The dropshipper capitalized on this trend and generated significant profits. Another dropshipper was struggling to price their products competitively. They started using an AI-powered pricing tool that automatically adjusted prices based on competitor data and market demand. This resulted in a 20% increase in sales. These success stories prove that AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for dropshippers of all levels. Ek our bot. Before we move on, I have a small request. Did you know that 81% of viewers enjoy content but forget to subscribe? Don't be like them. If you're finding this information valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Ab aapki bari hai. So what are you waiting for? You've learned about dropshipping. You've seen the potential it holds and the opportunities it can unlock. The time to act is now. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. The clock is ticking, and every second counts in the fast-paced world of e-commerce. You've seen how AI can transform your business. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights into customer behavior, AI is a game changer. It can help you make data-driven decisions that can propel your business to new heights. Now it's time to take action. First, choose your niche. This is the foundation of your business. Your niche should be something you are passionate about, something that excites you. It should also be a market with demand, where you can solve real problems for real people. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited to wake up in the morning? Your passion will drive your business forward, even when things get tough. It will keep you motivated and focused on your goals. What problems can you solve? Look around you. What are the pain points that people face? How can you make their lives easier or better? Identifying these problems and offering solutions is the key to a successful business. Next, find your winning product. This is the product that will set you apart from the competition. It should be something unique, something that adds value to your customers' lives. Use research tools to identify trends and high-demand products. Use AI tools to discover trending products with high demand. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify what products are currently popular and what might be the next big thing. Leveraging AI can give you a competitive edge in the market. Then, set up your online store. Your store is your digital storefront. It needs to be professional, user-friendly, and visually appealing. This is where platforms like Shopify come in handy. They offer a range of customizable templates that make it easy to create a store that looks great and functions smoothly. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to create a professional-looking store. Finally, market your products. This is where you get the word out about your business. Use a mix of social media, paid advertising, and email marketing to reach your target audience. Each platform has its strengths, so use them strategically to maximize your reach. Utilize social media, paid advertising, and email marketing to reach your target audience. Social media is great for building a community and engaging with your customers. Paid advertising can drive traffic to your store quickly, and email marketing is perfect for nurturing leads and encouraging repeat purchases. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. There will be challenges along the way, but each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay patient and keep pushing forward. But with hard work, dedication, and the power of AI, you can streamline your operations, make smarter decisions, and ultimately achieve your business goals. AI can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what you do best. You can achieve your dropshipping dreams. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your business grow, the joy of reaching your goals, and the freedom that comes with running a successful online store. The journey starts now. Ab aapki bari hai. Like, share, or subscribe. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends who are interested in starting their own dropshipping businesses. Let's spread the knowledge and help each other succeed. Yad se. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tips and strategies for building a successful online business. Remember, 81% of people forget to subscribe, and you don't want to be one of them. Tayar ho jao kamai ke liye. The dropshipping world is waiting for you. Embrace the power of AI and get ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential. Start building your dream business today.